Hello everyone, and today I'm going to do a vlog of the National Snow Show. I haven't been here in years, I've only been to the one in London, so let's head in.
So the National Snow Show is basically a show for anybody that loves the snow. So we've got things here for snow sports, for skiing, for Nordic. So if you enjoy getting outside in the winter weather, this is the show for you.
A bit chaotic, but in the best way.
Full of ski, snowboards, everybody here who's interested in booking their holidays for the next winter ahead. Plenty of activities for young, old, people to try skiing for the first time on the small slopes.
Get here early, there's loads of freebies, go around, get as much as you can. So many little events and things that are on.
This year it's been 50% bigger and we're already selling for next year. Next year's looking like it's going to be 50% bigger again. So we will have doubled the show in 2 years. And it's just really exciting.
Okay, so there is the end of the National Snow Show. I was in there for about 4 hours, so I saw every single stand. I spoke to loads of exhibitors. I even met the Raccoon events team, and they were also really nice. All the exhibitors were really nice. So I thought it was a really good show. In terms of value, it was excellent. My ticket was free. Things that really stood out for me, accessibility for the show was really good. So lots of exhibitors that really cared about improving accessibility for people that want to get involved in skiing and snowboarding. Also, there were lots of brands that were quite small, starting out, but wanted to raise awareness. I think I would have liked to have seen a lot more brands that were household names. So I would like to have seen Decathlon, Insta360, GoPro, Helly Hansen, Berghaus. But again, the show is still new and it's still starting out. Overall, I'd give it a 4 out of 5, and I'll likely come next year, but I'll decide because it's still a bit of a small show. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next vlog.